Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials: a confirmed diagnosis and a quick medication review. You must rule out nitrates and unstable heart issues. Once done, tell your clinician you plan to try L Arginine. Start with 1,000 milligrams once daily with a meal to reduce GI upset. Make sure to record baseline blood pressure and erection frequency. Keep a short log for 7 to 14 days. This gives you early signals about tolerance and any interactions to flag. Once tolerated, you titrate L Arginine gradually. Increase to a total of 3,000 to 5,000 milligrams per day, split into 2 or 3 doses over 2 to 4 weeks. While doing that, optimize lifestyle factors: exercise, weight reduction, good sleep, and cutting alcohol and smoking, because nitric oxide pathways respond better with healthy habits. Make sure to reassess after 4 to 8 weeks for meaningful change. If response is partial, to finish, settle on the lowest effective maintenance dose and do not exceed roughly 10,000 milligrams per day to avoid adverse effects. Monitor for common issues: headache, diarrhea, or low blood pressure. Stop supplementation and seek urgent care if you have chest pain, fainting, or severe dizziness. If you see no improvement after 8 to 12 weeks, make sure to reevaluate underlying causes with labs like testosterone and lipids, and consider a specialist referral to urology or sexual medicine for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.